Want to calculate your loan EMI quickly without using online tools? In today's video, you'll learn how to create a fully functional EMI calculator in Excel from scratch. You'll be able to calculate monthly EMI, total interest payable, total amount repayable. Perfect for students, professionals, or anyone managing finances. And the best part? You'll learn how to make it user-friendly and secure, so no one can mess with your formulas. Okay, let's jump in. First, open a new Excel worksheet and enter these labels in column A. Loan amount, annual interest rate, loan term years, monthly EMI, total repayable, and total interest. Now, in column B, enter some sample values, loan amount 20,000. To format as currency, just right-click. Format cells. Go to Currency. And pick your preferred currency. Now add annual interest rate 10%. And loan term 2 years. So, we're working with a $20,000 loan at 10% annual interest over 2 years. To calculate monthly EMI using the PMT function, click on cell B5 and enter this formula. Explain it briefly. B3 divided by 12 converts annual interest to monthly. B4 multiplied by 12, total number of payments. Minus B2, loan amount. Negative because it's a cash outflow. Now press enter. Result, your monthly EMI will appear around $922. Now, it's time to calculate total payable amount. In cell B6, type this formula. This multiplies your monthly EMI by the number of months. That's your total repayment. Press enter and done. To calculate total payable interest, first, go to cell B7 and start by typing equals. Select the cell B6. Minus B2. Now, press enter. This subtracts the original loan from the total to give you total interest paid over the term. Let's say you want users to select from a predefined list of interest rates or loan terms instead of typing manually. In a separate area, type your options like this. To create drop-down for interest rate, first select cell B3. Go to the Data tab, then Data Validation. In the pop-up box, under Allow, choose List. In the source box, select D2 to D5. And click OK. Do the same for loan terms, using E2 to E6. Let's lock everything, except the editable cells. Select the entire sheet. Right-click on the sheet. Then, Format Cells. Go to the Protection tab. And check Locked. This locks all cells temporarily. Click OK. Now, select only the input cells, B2, B3, and B4. Again, right-click. Then, Format Cells. Under the Protection tab, uncheck Locked. Next, go to the Review tab. Click Protect Sheet. Under Allow all users of this worksheet to check only select unlocked cells. Set a password if you'd like. This prevents others from turning off protection. Finally, click OK and test it. Now, users can only change inputs in B2 to B4. Your drop-downs and formulas are protected. And that's it. You've created a professional EMI calculator in Excel, complete with dynamic drop-downs and sheet protection. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning. Got a formula or tool you'd like help building? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and until next time.